What happens to your collection when it goes to an archive? An archive is a place that preserves and provides access to papers, objects, and other historical materials. Unlike libraries, where visitors walk through rows of shelves, archives usually have reading rooms, where archivists bring the materials for the visitors to study. Archivists are there to help preserve history. Adding your history to an archive is a simple process. The first step in the process is the content appraisal. During this step, archivists will review your material and determine if they are a good fit for the archive. The archivist makes decisions based on subject matter, time period covered, types of object, and geography, as well as originality and research value. Just because an archive doesn't take your materials doesn't mean they aren't important. It just means they could be more appropriate in a different archive. Gift agreements are an important step for you and the archive. If you like the archive and the archive wants your material, then you will be asked to sign a gift agreement. A gift agreement is a legal document. It shows the condition under which you are giving your materials to an archive. The document can include information about restrictions, copyright, or access. These agreements are negotiable, so ask questions and make sure you are comfortable before signing a gift agreement. Once the legal and physical ownership of the collection is given to the archive, the items will go to conservation for assessment. Conservators make sure there aren't bugs or mold in the material that could infect other parts of the collection. They may return items that turn out to be too damaged for the collection. Next, your materials will go for processing, which is when archivists make materials findable. The archivist will arrange your materials into categories based on individuals, time periods, or other themes. Through description work, archivists focus on the key points or themes for your collection. Archivists include details like proper names, places, groups, dates, or major historic events from your materials to make a finding aid. Finding aids are guides to the collection and include information such as numbers of boxes, language, and creator. Having items linked or organized by finding aids helps others find your materials and understand why they matter. Researchers will read finding aids to decide what they want to request for use in the reading room. Your material could be exactly what they need to answer their research questions. An archive can be a large, unfamiliar place, but the archivists are there to make the journey easier. Working with an archivist can help ensure the preservation and accessibility of your materials, which are the evidence of your experience. Whether you donate your materials to an institutional archive or contribute to a community archive, these principles are important steps. Now that you know how an archive works, you can use these concepts to start conversations about a potential donation. Preserving your materials ensures that others can use them to share your important histories.